At C-Probe, we have a wide range of build and restoration products that comply with industry standards. The world is changing rapidly and infrastructure will become more intelligent, smarter, so it's vitally important to take control of your asset's future today. Our products undergo a rigorous failure mode and effect analysis, FMEA regime, before they're trusted for use on your project. Continual QA testing at the moment of manufacture and throughout implementation assures their durability is proven from the cradle. We're audited by Quality Assurance National Warranties, QANW, to deliver accreditation. Such is our confidence in the performance of our systems on your structure, projects can be eligible for up to 20 years latent defect insurance cover. Our AIMS agreement provides a running online record of performance to the grave, essential for any structure manager to confirm ongoing durability. There are often important documents or annual reports for public audit of taxpayer investment information, used for due diligence when considering the purchase or sale of a property. We know problems can arise, however, C-Probe aims to provide knowledge, value and accountability of all its solutions. C-Probe. Monitoring and protection from cradle to grave.